Hello beautiful peeps, I'm Chris from TechSpert and this is the Nokia 800 Tough, the double hard bastard of the Nokia mobile phone family. This thing undeniably lives up to its name. It can take a metaphorical kick to its metaphorical crotch and come back at you like, oh, is that all you have for me, kind sir? The Nokia 800 Tough has endured all kinds of rigorous testing to make sure that it can survive even quite extreme real-world conditions. But there's one very important test that the Nokia 800 Tough has not undergone, one opponent that it has not been pitted against, and that is the very scourge of technology. And I am, of course, talking about a 4-year-old child thing.
I can actually do the sellotape. So can you do the sellotape, please?
Hang on. Probably open it with this.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my.
Again!
Oh, headphones.
I've always wished for one of these.
What, headphones?
Yeah.
You've got headphones?
No, I haven't. These ones.
Oh, you want those specific ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love them.
More interested in the headphones than the actual phone. Right, so first test, did it survive the violent unboxing? Yes, it did. So as you can see there, running a bit of Kai OS action, just like all Nokia feature phones. So it provides a lot of the basic functionality, and of course you're now starting to get support for other apps like WhatsApp and things like that as well. So you can do a lot more on your feature phone than you could back in the day when I was a young'un, that's for sure. Hey!
I can see you coming out, Daddy.
And go! It's still alive! And it's still alive somehow. This is one tough mother. Right, now it's time for the water test. Probably not just water, it's probably cat wee and all kinds of stuff in there, because it's been open to the elements for some time. Go for it. Splosh.
Cheers!
Okay, let's fish it back out again.
Test.
And yep, seems to be working absolutely fine.
Slides down really fast or not?
Go for it. Box out of 5 on the slide test?
No.
None out of 5. It does not slide good.
Try it again.
You have to try it again. Okay, there you go. And there you have it. The Nokia 800 Tough can happily withstand a full hour of abuse from a 4-year-old, a natural destroyer of all things and technology. It's a little bit mucky, possibly slightly scratched up, but in full working order. Great stuff.
Yeah, it's not the way.
Is the rabbit presenting the video now, is he?
Hello everybody, poo poo wah wah, bye bye.
You can't say poo poo on YouTube, Mimi. And that right there is the Nokia 800 Tough, as tested out by a 4-year-old and her rabbit. Do you want to say poke, subscribe and ding that notifications bell?
Poke, subscribe.
And ding that notifications bell.
And dig as...
Ding.
Ding.
Ding. Yeah, get that one right.
Notifications bell.
Good job. Ooh.